Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the latest and most insightful beauty reviews straight from an expert's perspective. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give you salon-quality nails in the comfort of your own home, the OPI On-Point Press-On Nails. These press-ons come with a twist. They're not only stylish, but designed for long-lasting wear without the damage. So let's see if they live up to their claims. The OPI On-Point Press-On Nails come in a set of 24, offering a short round shape in a soft, neutral beige-pink color that OPI calls Put It in Neutral. The nails are made with a hard gel formula that gives a high-gloss finish, which OPI is known for, thanks to its rich, professional quality formulations. The set includes adhesive nail glue, so you can be sure they'll stay on without the need for additional products or tools. Now, let's talk about how they performed in real life. I used these nails for a few days, and one of the first things that stood out to me was how easy they were to apply. You just apply the glue, press on the nails, and voila, perfectly manicured hands in minutes. The fit is flexible, and there's a good variety of sizes to choose from, which makes it easy to get a snug fit without feeling too tight or loose. As someone who's a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to nails, I really appreciated that the application process didn't take much time or effort at all. I also wore these for a few different situations: a full workday, a dinner out, and some casual activities. I was impressed by how they held up. No lifting, no chips, and the glossy finish remained intact. I'm especially picky when it comes to long-lasting wear, and these nails really impressed me. They didn't budge, even after typing for hours or doing light chores. However, I did notice a couple of things. The first is that because they are press-on nails, they can feel a bit bulky for some people, especially if you're not used to wearing fake nails. But after a day or two, I got used to them, and they didn't feel uncomfortable. The second is that, while the adhesive was strong, I did have a nail pop-off while doing a more intense workout. I think the glue might not hold as firmly in high moisture or high friction situations, so I'd be cautious if you plan to wear them for something particularly demanding. As for the pros and cons, let's balance them out. Pros: easy application, a natural looking color that works for almost any occasion, high gloss finish, reusable, and long-lasting wear, as long as you're not doing something too intense. Cons: the press-on nails might feel a little bulky, and the glue might not be suitable for extreme activities. The initial feel can be a bit different from your natural nails, but it's something that can be easily adjusted to. When it comes to value for money, I would say these are fairly priced for what you're getting. OPI is a trusted name in nail care, and their formula definitely shows in the quality of these nails. You're not just getting a simple press-on set, you're getting professional-grade nail art that's easy to apply and lasts. If you're someone who loves having neat nails without the salon price, this could be a great investment. For those considering alternatives, you could look at brands like Kiss or Impress, who also offer similar press-on nails, but I find that OPI's formulations tend to have a little more longevity and a smoother finish. While there are cheaper alternatives out there, you might sacrifice that level of quality and finish. When it comes to build quality, the materials used feel sturdy, and I like that the packaging is both compact and organized. The nails themselves have a nice, smooth surface that reflects light well, which adds to that salon-quality finish. As for the overall performance, I would say these nails hold up well for a temporary look. If you're looking for something that can last weeks or through more intense activities, they may not be the best choice. However, for a short-term, stylish, and easy-to-apply nail solution, these definitely deliver. I didn't have to interact with OPI's customer service directly, but knowing their reputation for quality, I feel confident in saying that their customer service would be just as reliable as their product quality. Now, if you're looking for cheaper alternatives that offer similar value, brands like Kiss and Impress offer press-on nails in a similar price range, but often the designs are less elegant. OPI nails are a bit pricier, but I personally feel the longevity and premium look justify the cost. To wrap things up, these OPI On-Point press-on nails are definitely a win for anyone who loves a flawless, salon-quality look without the hassle. They're simple to use, stylish, and stay in place for a good amount of time. If you're looking for long-lasting, reusable nails that won't cause damage, this is a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used these press-on nails, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.